Today, we explore a paradox that the great mystic Ibn Arabi discovered 8 centuries ago, one that can transform your life right now. My friends, we live in an age obsessed with certainty. We demand explanations, crave clarity, and refuse to move forward until every question is answered. We say, I need to understand this first, or it doesn't make sense yet, as if understanding is the key that unlocks the door to peace. But what if that very need, that desperate grip on understanding, is the prison itself? Ibn Arabi, the great Andalusian mystic and philosopher, taught us something revolutionary, that sometimes we must let go before we understand. Not because understanding is invaluable, but because our attachment to it creates suffering. Think about it. How many times have you held on to pain simply because you couldn't understand why it happened? How many relationships have you prolonged past their season because you needed closure, needed answers, needed it all to make sense? We torture ourselves with questions. Why did this happen to me? What did I do wrong? What does this mean? And while we're trapped in this mental labyrinth, life pressures, fleeting life continues to flow past us. Ibn Arabi understood a profound truth. The universe is vast, mysterious, and often incomprehensible to our limited minds. Not everything is meant to be understood in the moment we experience it. Some things reveal their meaning only in retrospect. Some things never reveal their meaning at all. And that's okay. Letting go before you understand is not about giving up or being passive. It's about wisdom. It's about recognizing that your peace, your growth, your very life cannot be held hostage by the need for perfect comprehension. It's about trust. Trust in something larger than your rational mind. Trust in the process. Trust in time. Trust in the unfolding. When you let go before you understand, something miraculous happens. The weight lifts. The obsession fades. The mental loops that kept you awake at night begin to quiet. You stop replaying conversations, analyzing every detail, searching for the hidden meaning. You stop waiting for the person who hurt you to finally explain themselves. You stop needing the universe to justify its decisions to you. And in that space, that beautiful, open space, you find freedom. This doesn't mean we abandon reason or stop seeking knowledge. Ibn Arabi was himself a scholar of immense depth. Rather, it means we recognize the proper place of understanding. Some things we can understand and should pursue with diligence. But other things, the mysteries of why life unfolds as it does, why people behave as they do, why we suffer what we suffer, these often lie beyond the reach of immediate comprehension. For these, Ibn Arabi teaches us a different path: acceptance. Without understanding, peace without closure, movement without certainty. There's a subtle power in this practice. When you let go before you understand, you're making a profound statement about reality. You're saying, I am not the center of the universe. I don't need to comprehend everything to be okay. I can trust the process even when I can't see there. Pattern. This is humility. This is wisdom. This is spiritual maturity. Ibn Arabi knew that the rational mind, for all its brilliance, is just one way of knowing. Sometimes the heart knows what the mind cannot grasp. Sometimes the soul understands what logic cannot explain. So how do we practice this in our daily lives? When someone leaves and gives no explanation, let go before you understand. When life takes an unexpected turn that makes no sense, let go before you understand. When you're hurt and you don't know why'll go before you. Understand, this doesn't mean you suppress your emotions or pretend you're not affected. Feel fully, grieve. Genuinely. Acknowledge the pain. But don't make your healing conditional on receiving answers that may never come. Ibn Arabi invites us into a different relationship with mystery. Instead of seeing the unknown as a problem to be solved, see it as a teacher. Instead of demanding that life explain itself, allow yourself to be held by something greater than explanation. The truth is, you've already let go of so much without fully understanding it. You've survived losses you thought would destroy you. You've moved past situations that once seemed impossible to release. You've healed from wounds whose origins you never fully grasped. You already know how to do this. Ibn Arabi is simply reminding you to do it consciously, deliberately, as a spiritual practice. My friends, the subtle power of letting go before you understand is this. It returns you to life. It brings you back from the prison of your thoughts to the freedom of the present moment. It allows you to move forward even when you don't have all the answers. And perhaps, most beautifully, it opens you to a deeper kind of knowing, one that doesn't come from analysis, but from surrender. One that doesn't come from control, but from trust.